talk about the East being depleted before it even starts. Jalek Swoll has horribly broken his arm. This comes in a training accident, which is how everything seems to be happening so far. Posting on his Instagram yesterday, today, by the time you see this, whenever it is, you see the picture of his arm right here, and it is absolutely shattered. Posting on, quote, saying, spent all of yesterday in the ER and today getting surgery, so I haven't been able to make an update post. Spiral fractured my humerus yesterday and was lucky enough to get into surgery today. Absolutely heartbroken that I couldn't show all the work me and blah, 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 blah. You can read the rest right there if you want. Pause and read it. But it's just sad. There's the Rockstar Husky team out of the East. We already have both of the Pro Circuit team guys gone. It's just one of those things that these are all practice crashes and these are all horrible. I mean, like, when you spiral fracture a bone, it is not something quick to heal. That is massively broken, and it sucks for him because, you know, obviously you want to show how much time you've been putting in, like talking about months and months and months of training and riding, and then just one little thing happens and boom. But hopefully he heals up quickly. Hopefully he heals up well. No lingering problems from it. But if you watch this and you like it, make sure to go down to the comments and leave something. Say whatever you want. Hopes, prayers, good lucks, whatever it is. And as you're going down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because playing the YouTube algorithm game, it helps a lot and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.